5 Essential Travel Hacks for Men in Thailand. 5 Essential Travel Hacks for Men in Thailand. Currency Crash Course. Save on conversion fees. Use mobile apps like XE for real-time rate. Withdraw from local ATMs for better rates, but always choose to be charged in the local currency, Thai baht. 2. Dress smartly. Thai temples and palaces require modest attire. Always carry a light long-sleeve shirt and long pants. This saves you money from renting or buying on-site. 3. Street food safely. Experience authentic Thai flavors without the worry. Opt for stall queues of locals, ensuring freshness and taste, and remember, if it's grilled or boiled, it's generally good to go. 4. Stay connected. Grab a local SIM card upon arrival at any international airport. They're budget-friendly and ensure you have data for maps, translation apps, and those Instagram perfect. 5. Bargain like a pro. Street markets are a must-visit. Start by offering half the asking price, but all negotiate with a smile. Remember, it's a fun game. Play it respectfully. Traveler. Found these hacks useful? Smash that like button, subscribe, and dive tips on our Traveler's Life Hacks channel. Safe travel.